step one, if you have not already signed up for Airbnb as a host, you'll want to use my referral link. And I'll put that in the description below or somewhere around this video so that you can go ahead and sign up. If you use my referral link, you get a little bit of extra money on your very first booking. And then it also supports me as well. So thank you in advance for using that. So go ahead and do that now. When it comes to your title, Airbnb gives you 50 characters to use for your title. So the main point is not to waste those 50 characters on anything that's going to be redundant or not necessary. Okay, so for instance, if you have a 1-bedroom apartment, you don't want to say 1-bedroom apartment in your title, okay? Because more than likely, people are finding your 1-bedroom apartment because they're looking specifically for 1-bedroom apartments. So they already are aware that you have 1 bedroom. That's exactly the type of property that they are searching for. So don't waste any of your 50 characters describing the property in such a bland way. Okay, we really want your title to come alive. You really want to use character and uniqueness to guide someone to want to book with you. Okay, you want to try to highlight your unit's best features, and I'll show you how to do that. So if you can't think of anything, this is a good place to start as far as a title formula. Okay, so every single formula is going to start with an adjective. Okay, an adjective describes a person, place, or thing. So you want to use a colorful adjective to describe your property. Okay, that could be cozy, stylish, comfy, adorable, spacious. Okay, anything that describes the property in a positive way, you can lead with that. Okay, the second factor of your title is going to be the property type. So that's easy. It's an apartment, it's a condo, it's a townhouse, it's a bungalow, it's a mansion. You see where I'm going. So just describe the property type. All right. So fabulous townhome. Okay. So we're getting somewhere, right? And then the last part of the title can be a unique selling point. So anything that makes your property different from the next Airbnb. Maybe you have a hot tub in your property. Maybe you have an amazing fenced backyard that's great for animals and kids. Maybe you have a fabulous view of the city skyline. Okay, anything like that, you'll want to try to shorten it concisely enough that it will fit into that title and make someone click on your listing. Okay, so for instance, rustic 2-bedroom cottage, okay, with king bed and lake view. So you actually squeezed in 2 unique selling points there. King bed is always a unique selling point. People search by bed types, okay? I'm guilty of this. Once you have a king bed, you don't want anything less than that, okay? So king bed is definitely a unique selling point if you can't think of anything else, all right? Lake view is another thing. Every Airbnb doesn't have a lake view, so if that's what I'm looking for, I may click on that listing and see what the lake view is all about, okay? If you can't think of a unique selling point, or maybe you don't feel that your property has any unique selling points, that's okay too. You can talk about its proximity to great places, okay? So if maybe you have, a regular apartment, but it's walking distance to the stadium, all right? That becomes a unique selling point just because of its proximity to a popular location. So you can talk about your chic, modern condo near CNN, okay? And if you have room, you can also include the distance because that matters a lot too. If you can say 4 miles to downtown or a 3-minute walk to the zoo, all right, you are going to directly be communicating with people who are looking for exactly that in a property. Okay. And then you can also talk about the type of experience that a traveler could have in your property. So a coastal beach house, perfect for blank, perfect for romantic nights, perfect for concert goers, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Okay. So start to think creatively about what would make your place stand out amongst other places. So in your title, you want to try to avoid using generic, overused terms. Okay. Good, great, cute, stylish. That's great, but it's not giving. Okay. It's not giving what it needs to give. All right. Try to get a little bit more colorful and creative with your language. And to do this, go to the thesaurus online. That's what it's for. Okay. Type in great into the thesaurus and get back a list of 20 or more terms that mean the same thing, but are less boring. Okay. So use words like secluded. Okay. Insta worthy. That's a big one. People like to be able to post content and make videos and pictures in a place that is IG worthy, social media worthy. Eclectic is another good one. That means it's unique. You're going to have knickknacks in there. You're going to have cultural items in there. You're going to have some funky furniture. People like that. It's different. Okay. A hidden gem. All right. People love best kept secrets. They love feeling like they're in an exclusive something that everybody doesn't know about, okay, or that is up and coming. So use creative words to describe your unit everywhere that you can.